What's up, Reef Nation? It's Reef Rabbit Aquaria coming at you here with a promised update. The Mandarin has been added. I had to unfortunately skip over the acclimation process as in the process of filming, I knocked my phone into the tank here. So it took a little longer to get a video of him than I planned. He's in there. He's a little stressed out right now because it's a new environment. He's kind of hanging out in the back. And look forward to seeing this guy a little more in the next few days as he gets accustomed to his surroundings and whatnot. We'll promise to give updates as he gets out of his shy stage and begins to be a more present member of this tank. Just wanted to do a short little first video here, get my first video on the tube, and kind of make my break for it. Video quality will get better as I get my my other phone situated and get back with a better quality phone, and just be doing more high quality stuff. Hopefully, like I said, this is just a quick first video letting you guys know I've added the green Mandarin goby, or dragon hat, however you want to call it, and that so far he seems to be doing pretty good, all things considering how new the tank is to him. So without further ado, I guess I'll call it a wrap on this, and we'll see you guys in future videos.